Hello there, world-class people, world-class friends, world-class learners. Christian Youngren talking to you today about outbound sales calls. Specifically, I want to talk about leaving voicemails. I'm going to give you 3 quick tips on how to improve your voicemails and hopefully get more callbacks and more connections. Tip number 1, call 2 times before you leave the voicemail. So, pretty easy. Call the phone number 1 time, let it go all the way through. If it goes to voicemail, don't leave a voicemail, hang up and call right back. How many times in today's day and age have you got a phone call, you turn around, you look back down, you say, oh my gosh, they're calling back, maybe it's important, maybe I ought to get it, and then you'll pick it up. So you'll improve your chances of making a connection. Step number 2, or tip number 2, would be talk slowly. If you do have to give that voicemail after you call back the second time, talk especially slow. My name's Christian. C-H. Okay, not maybe that slow, but talk about 2 times slower than you normally do. When you leave the phone number, especially, leave that number 563-650-1900. Christian Youngren with ABC Dealership, Cunis Automotive Group, Cunis of East Moline, whatever the name of the dealership, and again, speak slowly. Tip number 3, be tenaciously friendly. What's that mean? When you do leave the voicemail, be extremely friendly, but let the guest know, or let your customer, whoever's getting the recipient of the call, make sure they know that you're not giving up. Years ago, I had a marketing person kept calling me, and I'd get the voicemail and it'd say, Chris, you know what, if I just don't hear back from you today, I'll call you back again tomorrow morning first thing, okay? And then he'd turn around and call the next morning, and he called the next morning and said, Chris, if I don't hear back from you later today, I'll just call you later this afternoon. And this went on for 4 or 5 days till I finally did make the call back. So if you want to get that phone call back, don't give up, be tenaciously friendly, keep calling back, but with that friendly, empathetic tone. 3 quick tips for leaving better voicemails. I hope it helps. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn.